Hey guys, Oliver here from Prevolve Footwear. I'm going to walk you through the steps for confirming the fit of your bio cleats by printing out the fit sheets that were emailed to you. During this process, it's important that you take your time. The difference between a good fit and a bad fit can come down to a few millimeters. So go slow and make sure you follow each step carefully. This is what a fit sheet will look like. The first step is to print out both fit sheets. So I'm going to go over here to my PDF. Under more settings, I want to make sure that we hit actual size. You can hit print. I already have mine printed out here, my two fit sheets. It is nice to have them printed out in color as well. Make sure that your fit sheet is actually true to size. There's this grid pattern laid out underneath. That is measurements in millimeters. Tape measure or ruler, calipers. Measure on the sheet around 100 millimeters and make sure that it matches your ruler. If it doesn't, that means that the scaling, when you printed, you had a setting that rescaled those values. Got exactly 100 on the base grid. Top left, you have your name, left and right, and then the details, the specific parameters for your shoes for the type of bio cleats that you ordered. So make sure that those look correct. Next, underneath that, we have the curve key, a foot shadow, which is the dotted green, a top-down outline of your foot scan that you submitted to us. You want to make sure is matching to your actual feet. Shoe volume shadow, which is the dotted purple. How is your foot going to fit inside the shoe? It's basically a top-down outline of the shoe volume. The foot doesn't protrude out of it. Now, through the midfoot, actually we do want that to underlap your foot a little bit because that's where you need it to be tight. Through the arch as well. Fold the corner. Fold that right along that black line. Make sure that's really precise. We're going to go ahead and fold the other fit sheet as well. Next thing you'll need is some tape. So I've got some masking tape here, and that's just to hold down the fit sheets once you have them placed against the wall. Find a flat surface that is uncarpeted with a wall without any trim. That's going to go up against the wall. If you don't have a wall without trim, you could find a book or any flat object and you can prop that against the wall. When you tape down the fit sheets, make sure they are flat without any wrinkles. You want them about shoulder width distance apart. Place your feet on the outlines with your heel gently touching the back wall. Center your foot so that centered right inside the curves. There should be about 5 millimeters of space, if not more, depending on your toe shapes, at the tip of your toes. Take a top-down photo and send it to us. You can send that to info@prevolvefootwear.com, and we'll take a look, and if the fit is off, we will adjust the adjust the scans to correct it. Feel free to email us any questions, info@prevolvefootwear.com. Looking forward to getting you a great fitting pair of bio cleats.